Welcome to Safety Matter with Edmond. We're going to look at occupational safety overview. Occupational safety is protecting workers from injury, accident, and illness from workplace. That is occupational safety. So we are going to look at the overview of the occupational safety. Now we're going to look at daily construction. We're going to look at daily construction pre-start checklist. A checklist is a procedural document given that will make sure that those that work at height are fully protected. Then the next one, excavation and trenching. First thing first, the safety officer need to verify the area they want to excavate. Is the area that they want to, is it safe enough? If it's not safe, the safety officer will provide what they call a safety tape. And that safety tape, they will use that as a landmark communicating to the workers and those that are not working there that this is a danger zone. This is an excavated area, that please don't come, so that they will be aware an exclusive environment for only those that works in that particular place. Then secondly, as per the trenching, they need to make sure that the trench are well excavated, so that the trench will not collapse at the end of the day. They will now also look at electrical safety. Electrical safety is another aspect of safety that before a job can commence, the safety officer needs to go around that job environment to ascertain the level of electrical pipes and all that in that environment. Do they have a naked wires or a wire that are not coated? Do they have an hazard in in part of the electrical area? He will make sure that all those aspects has been verified before he or she can give an approval. They will now also look at fires and emergency. Fire and emergency is another aspect of safety that the safety officer need to verify and make sure that all forms of fire. Now, the safety officer need to make sure that the fire extinguishers or fire suppressor are provided in those work sites for in case of any fire outbreak or emergency, especially those that work in hot job. The fire extinguisher need to be provided for the workers to be safe. Then also workers' competence. It is very important that they need a worker that are more competent, especially those that couple the scaffolders. You cannot use a worker that is not competent to couple the scaffold. At the end of the day, they will have a issue. They also look at weather and environment. Weather and environment is another aspect of safety, because you need to make sure that the weather is favorable enough to commence job. You will make sure that the weather is the weather, or is the weather, does it have light, or is the weather comfortable for workers to work? They also look at next one. The 12th one is safety and science. Safety and science are key, because safety and science, those are safety officer need to provide safety signs for communication, because they need to indicate that this area are hazard prone. They will indicate all those areas. So safety and sign is key. Then the last one is compliances and authorization. So at the end of the day, the safety officer need to make sure that all staff, all workers, they comply to the procedures. And after that, the safety officer will write the project name, the location, the safety officer. Then the safety officer need to sign, including the site manager. So at the end of the day, this is a document presented as a work permit document to whoever that is in authority in that area. Now, safety is everybody's business. Don't play with safety matter.